Hello guys and welcome back to newbie on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So what was missing until now from Aimogen? If you guessed tables, then you are right. So tables were not able to be added in the created posts. However, in the latest update of Aimogen, this will be also possible. So this will be also possible. Go ahead and check the prompts that come by default with the new rules. So if you check the content related prompts, you will see in many places use HTML formatting, include unnumbered list and bold. If needed, you can use WordPress related CSS styling for the article. When applicable, add also HTML tables with WordPress styling. You can use WordPress table classes. If added table data must be relevant, creative, short and simple. So this is added to the prompt, and with this addition you will be able to see tables pop up on your created posts from the latest version of the plugin and onwards. Also, a very nice feature that you will see is the Amazon product roundup. You will be able to add a new section which is actually a table which compares the Amazon products. So let me show you this in action, and you will see here AI model for comparison table generator, comparison table prompt, and this will be used as a prompt to create a table which compares the products which were created for the this product roundup. So to enable this, scroll up and be sure to check add product comparison table checkbox. So let me show you an example for this. Let me simply add a laptop query, for example, and check the add product comparison table checkbox, and below here we will be sure to use this prompt, so don't delete this prompt, and save settings. And if we check the front end of our site, it's empty. And now let's run importing. So importing and AI generating of the content will take a bit, but until now I will show you also another feature that you will see these tables will be able to be added also in the title based creation, where in the prompt for the AI text generator you will be able to find also the table. So if we search here tables with WordPress styling, if added table data must be relevant, creative, short and simple. So this is also here, and in the YouTube to blog post we will find this also, and in the content prompt if we search for tables, here it is, HTML tables. So tables will pop up everywhere starting from the latest plugin version. So if you don't want this, simply remove this part of the prompt and the tables will not appear anymore. So be sure to know this, that tables were added to the latest update of the plugin, and the latest version of the created post will have this feature added to them. So let's wait a bit more until the product roundup is created so we can check the table and how it was created. So Aimogen is linked in this video's description. Go ahead guys and check it, and you will find also this new feature added to it, the product table creator, where you will be able to check product table. Also you will be able to create product comparison tables, and many other tables will be added to the created articles based on the prompts. So here it is, the laptop comparison article, and in the bottom we should see this table with also the buy now buttons with our affiliate links. If we added this normally in the Amazon associate ID, because I did not add this, the link is empty. So here it is, price, image, description and product title. So give this feature a try. Let me show you also really quickly a bulk AI post creator. and let's write here comparing the best washing machines in 2023. So this is just the basic title, and keep in mind that we have here the prompt added to in the content prompt. We have added that, hey, you should create also tables when possible. So let's run this also, and we will get a basic article which will probably contain also some tables, but this is not sure, as in the prompt we say that, hey, if applicable, then add also some tables to the content, but this is not sure that the AI will add them. It can opt to add them, or it can opt to not add them. So this is the table for product comparison, and let us check also the table which will appear for us for this bulk AI post creator, where we compare the best washing machines in 2023. So once again, generating will take a bit, but after a while this will turn into a green check mark, and we will be able to see our post created with also our tables in it with the latest version of Aimogen. So we can check the progress of the article creating in the activity and logging activity logs, and if we scroll down here we will see that it writes currently for topic outro. So these activity logs appear only if you have the main settings, general settings, and the enable detailed logging for rules. So this needs to be checked for the detailed logging to work. So the green check mark appeared, and if we refresh our site, washing machines, okay, innovate, and here it is, feature temperature control load sensing technology. This table was added. Let's see if we have more tables. Here it is, comparison, brand A, brand C. So yeah, we also might need to edit in some cases. As you can see, brand A, brand C, brand C, it is a bit needed to be edited, but yeah, in general it is a great feature that was added to Aimogen, as starting from now it will be able to create also tables for your content. So give this new update a try. Aimogen linked in this video's description. Thanks for watching. Until then, like, share, subscribe. This is all. Bye bye.